Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to record and edit your voice in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches, you'll want to configure your recording settings before you begin. Direct your attention to the top of the screen and click on Audio Setup. This opens a menu where you can select your input and output devices. Now hover your mouse over Recording Device and click on your preferred device from the list. This ensures Audacity will capture audio from the correct microphone or input source you want to use. With your device configured, you're ready to start recording. Click the record button at the top to begin capturing your audio. Speak naturally into your microphone and record whatever content you need. When you're finished, click the stop button to end the recording. This saves your audio as a waveform in the project window. Before you make any edits, it's a good idea to review what you've recorded. Click the play button at the top to listen to your recording and make sure everything sounds clear. If you're satisfied with the take, you can move on to editing and improving the audio quality. To select your entire recording, double-click on the waveform. This highlights all the audio and prepares it for processing. Now, click Effect in the top toolbar. Hover your mouse over Volume and Compression, then select Normalize from the submenu. A new window will appear with normalization settings. By default, it is set to -1.0 dB. Leave this as is, as it's the standard setting for normalizing audio levels. Then click Apply to process the audio. This step ensures your recording has consistent volume levels throughout. Next, you'll want to enhance the vocal clarity by removing unwanted low frequencies. Click Effect in the top toolbar again. Hover your mouse over EQ and Filters, then select Filter Curve EQ. A new window will appear with a detailed equalizer interface. In the top left corner, click Presets and Settings. This opens a menu with various pre-configured EQ curves. Hover your mouse over Factory Presets, then select Low Roll-Off for speech. This preset is specifically designed to clean up voice recordings by cutting unnecessary bass frequencies. Click Apply in the bottom right to process the audio. Give it a moment while Audacity applies the filter to your recording. Lastly, you'll add compression to make your voice sound more polished and professional. Click Effect in the top toolbar, then select Volume and Compression and choose Compressor from the submenu. A new window will open with several compression parameters. Look for Threshold and enter -18 or use the slider to set this value. This controls at what level the compression starts to take effect. Below it, you'll see Ratio. Set this to 3:1 by typing it or using the slider. This determines how much compression is applied once the threshold is reached. For attack, enter 5.0. This controls how quickly the compressor responds to loud sounds. For release, make it 100 ms. This setting determines how quickly the compressor stops working after the sound drops below the threshold. Once all these values are set, click Apply in the bottom right to finalize the compression. And that's it. You've successfully recorded and edited your voice in Audacity with professional sounding results. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.